Have you heard about the all-new fold-down Carryon four-wheel scooter? The all-new sporty fold-flat scooter is what you've always wanted in a light, travel-friendly scooter that comes with a long-range 18-mile 15Ah lithium-ion battery. You can fit up to 2 of them in the trunk of almost any vehicle. It's airline-friendly with its optional TSA-approved travel battery. The Carryon, or model GB120, is designed to fold down to only 12 inches, the perfect scooter for cruise ships. Don't struggle anymore with your fold-up scooter that is awkward to pick up or scooters that disassemble for loading. This scooter folds down, which makes it easier to lift, store, and transport. The Buzzaround Carryon scooter comes in red or blue, has a front carry handle, front and rear lighting package, a conveniently located USB port for charging your cell phone, and the battery is removable, so you are able to charge it anywhere. The Carryon scooter is only 46 pounds, but has many handles for easy lifting, which will make the scooter feel much lighter than most fold-up scooters. The seat is very light at only 12 pounds, with flip-back arms, and the battery is 6 pounds. The scooter is in stock, ready to ship, and comes assembled, with only a few steps to be ready to use. With its comfortable hand grips, easy adjustable tiller, water bottle holder, and carry-on backpack, and so much more, why wouldn't you want and need to have the Buzzaround Carryon scooter? Visit carryonyusa.com to see all the specs and additional benefits this will bring you, or call 803-926-2224 to speak to a sales associate today.